Plants are smarter than human beings. Yes, in this video, I'm going to be telling you 5 reasons why plants are smarter than humans. Number 1, plants, unlike humans, drop anything that will stress them or that will be a burden to them. They don't like to overweight themselves or overindulge themselves, unlike human beings. Like maybe Amaka is stressing you, continue to wallow in that relationship, you keep putting your head. Instead of them to let go, they will still be putting their head in it. Maybe they have one work that is almost taking their life. Instead of them to mellow down, re-strategize, they will be stressing and be putting their head in it. Reason why a lot of people die so fast. But plants don't do that. Anything that stresses plants, it drops it. Maybe flowers, maybe leaves. That's why they drop their leaves in dry season, so that they'll be able to survive. They have high affinity for survival. Their survival instinct is so high. You can't see a plant committing suicide. They have great affinity for life. Yes, unlike human beings, you see some of them committing suicide out of depression or what have you. Plants will never do that because plants has high affinity for life. That is smartness. Number 2, environmental purification. If you ask me, I will tell you smartness is when you are able to take care, keep tidy the environment you are bold that you live in, to make it to be suitable for yourself and for your living, just like the way plants do. Fight to remediation. We human, we cut trees to make this place we are living in, to make it a mess. But plants, in its own sense, you know that where it's staying is supposed to keep it clean. Plants do everything possible to keep the environment clean and sane. And we human, we do everything possible to keep the environment dirty, polluted. Who does that? That means we are the dirtier, plants are the tidier. So who is smarter? Number 3, they don't move anyhow. They've decided to be stationary, stay in one place. Unlike human, where they do waka waka anyhow. If you don't move anyhow, you no go see anyhow. You human, where they send you, you go. Where they don't send you, you go. But plants rather send their root network under the ground to do the work for them. They move around. As you know in life, when people see things, they can halt it, they can stop that thing. But if they don't see it, they can't stop it. So no village people in action. Yeah, they don't have brain, but they have what is called complex reflexes and intelligence. And that's what makes them to know how to face life and move towards light, how to move away from toxins, how to communicate with each other. When you don't move around anyhow, you reduce the danger that happens to you. Number 4, plants are better toaster than humans. They know how to show, position, scent their flowers to attract female pollinators, so as to make reproduction faster and easier. No need to do transfer to Nkechi or Miriam to impress them. I know very well that there are some humans that are very good at showcasing their good parts to attract female too for reproduction. But trust me, plants do it more effortlessly better. So it is safe to say that plants are better toasters. They get reproductions easier. That is smartness, knowing when to showcase the best part of you to attract pollinators, to attract people that can fertilize you or that you can fertilize for regeneration and for continuity. Number 5, plants have made themselves intentionally useful. I mean, intentionally, emphasis on intentional. They've made themselves so indispensable that everything on earth live and survive on plants, even including we humans. We are solely dependent on plants. They've made themselves useful for food, for clothing, for shelter, for medicine, among others. If you ask me, that's a lot of smartness. So next time if you see a plant, respect it because it is smarter than you.